So here's how to enable vehicle cues motion on your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and tap on accessibility. Here tap on motion. Once you are in this motion settings page, here you will find this show vehicle motion cues option. If you don't see this option in your settings, make sure to update your iOS to 18 or newer version. Just tap on that. And here select on, and here we can see the vehicle motion successfully turned on. So automatic shows the dots when vehicle motion is detected and hides them when the motion stops, and on shows the dots until you turn them off. You can select automatic. And now if you want to turn on or turn off vehicle motion cues from your control center, here's how to add this feature in your control center. Go ahead and open your control center, long press on an empty area, tap on add a control, and here in the search controls type here vehicle, and here under vision accessibility tap on vehicle motion cues, and here we can see it's add date. Now by tapping on this vehicle motion cues icon, you will be able to on or off the vehicle motion cues. Thanks for watching.